In the 17th century, a philosopher named René Descartes had an idea that fundamentally changed how we see the world. He realized that any point on a flat surface could be given a unique address, just like a house on a street. This system, the Cartesian plane, is the hidden blueprint behind your phone's GPS, every pixel on your computer screen, and even the design of buildings. So how does it work? Imagine two number lines crossing at a perfect right angle. The horizontal line is the x-axis, think across. The vertical is the y-axis, think to the sky. Where they meet is the starting point, the origin, or 0, 0. Every other point gets its unique address, an ordered pair like 3, -4. The rule is simple but crucial. You always move along the x-axis first. Remember this, you have to walk through the door before you can go up the stairs. These two axes divide the plane into 4 distinct regions called quadrants. The top right is quadrant 1, where both x and y coordinates are positive. From there, we number them counterclockwise. This gives us a quick mental shortcut. See a point like -5, -2? You know instantly it's in quadrant 3, the bottom left, because both numbers are negative. You can place a point without even seeing the grid, just by its signs. But this is more than just plotting dots. The Cartesian plane is where geometry meets algebra. It's how we turn shapes into equations. When a pattern of points forms a perfect line, we call that a linear relationship. We can use this grid to calculate the exact distance between two locations, like finding the gap between -3, 4 and -3, -10 is a straight jump of 14 units. From GPS satellites to video games, this simple grid is the language we use to describe and navigate space. It's not just a grid, it's a map of mathematical possibilities.